Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my thumbnails. So first I make my GFXs on my computer and then I publish them to my phone. So I go to where I just save my last GFX. I go right click it and then I click copy and go to my phone right here, and your phone has to be on and it has to be open, so it has to be unlocked. I click open and I go to Inshot, which is my editor, even though it doesn't go in here. That's just how it works. And I go right click again and I click paste, and then now it's on my phone. There it is, right? Okay guys, so you guys just saw how I get my GFXs onto my phone, and I'm going to show you how I make my actual thumbnails. So everything I'm using today is free. I'm going to go to Picsart and click the plus button and click, it will be start editing. This is the background I want to use. I just took a quick screenshot of this in Bloxburg on my phone. This is a little sneak peek of my house. You see a house tour pretty soon. I'm going to go to Tools, Crop, go to 16:9, which is the YouTube format. Then I'm going to zoom in. If it's tilted like that, just scroll back to 0. I'm just going to figure out where I want this picture to be. Then I'm going to click the check mark. Then I'm going to go to Effects. Then I'm going to go to Blur. And now I'm going to go to Brushes. And I'm going to scroll down to where I see these little circles and do these all on the outer edge of the picture. And make sure you're like able to see them right here. Okay. And now I'm going to scroll back to the first stars right here and do these all over. If you see in the empty areas, you're just going to click them there. Okay, that's good. I'm going to click the check mark. Now I'm going to go to add photo and add the GFX which I just made. And also those pictures you just saw. Go back. These pictures right here is a thumbnail I made for Raylan's World, which is her channel. I made the thumbnail for her. I really like it. She likes it too. She's my best friend. But yeah, I'm going to click that and click add one. If you have more, then it'll be definitely different. So now I'm going to size this how I want. Make sure it's not like this because you're going to add a border later. I'm just going to keep scrolling until I like it. And make sure like you undo the thing to see if it fits well. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm going to go to shadow, and there we go. And now I'm going to go to opacity and make that a little bit lighter, and also blur it a little bit more to a lower opacity. Okay, that's good. I used to do an outline, but I don't like it, so now I don't do it anymore. And now I'm going to go to border. I'm going to go outer and make it all the way 0, and inner just figure out how much you like it. I do around like maybe 3, so like that. That seems pretty good. I'm going to go to inside and go to opacity and make it low. Okay, that seems good. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this arrow at the top right hand corner, and then I'm going to click save picture on your device, and then they're done. And I'm going to go back to my YouTube tab and go to Phonto, and then I'm gonna go to the right hand corner and click the image and click images and find the image I just did. Now there it is. There's my thumbnail before it starts. This is gonna be called how I make a thumbnail. So I'm just gonna do how, and then I have different fonts. I searched on YouTube how to get fonts on Phonto. So there's this one. Let me see if I like this one. I like the other one better, so I'm gonna go back to font and change that back to cherry. If you make it bigger, go to size and either do the plus or scroll. And make this a little small because there still has to be text under there. Now I'm gonna actually add some. I'm gonna go back to text. I'm gonna go to how I, and then the last part's gonna be thumbnail. Size, make that smaller, and I'll put that right there. And go to style and figure out a color that I like. So I think that color of the tab was fine, but I used that on my latest thumbnail that I made. You guys just saw. I think I might use this one. I'm gonna go to shadow. Normally I do shadow. I use the same shade, so I'll probably use like that. That's too red. I think that's good. I think this one's the best. And then there's curving, like you can curve it and stuff. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then I add that's the shadow I just added. Here we go. I'm gonna make this smaller. There we go. And now I'm gonna do center, make A. And then we go back to style and do the same thing for the shadow. I actually do want to add a stroke to it. I'm gonna add a white stroke to it. Yeah, that looks way better. So I'm gonna do that for the same one. Okay. Size and make it bigger. Okay. And then I'm also going to add some pictures after when I go back in. I don't always go back in Picsart, but if I want to add pictures, I do go back. I'm going to do thumbnail, click done, and do the same exact thing I did for the other ones. Make that a stroke, do shadows, and then there we go. Okay, go back to the sides, make that a little bit bigger. It's okay if it goes over your character, since it's like a big word like this. I don't want it to be all cherry. I'm going to go to font, and then I'll change this like to stale. I think I like that. And then I think I'm going to change the color of this one, because it just looks like all too much. I just like play with it until I like it. I like how it adds hearts and stuff like that. And make sure it does not overlap. Okay, so make that all centered. And I'm gonna move this over just a little bit, like on top of my character, so I'm able to add the like little pictures in a second. I think this looks good. I'm gonna move this make down a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to the download button up here and click save image as PNG. I'm gonna click save. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into Picsart to add my little images, and then I'll be done. So do the same thing we did before, add, and there it is right there. I also just crop it again just to make sure that it's still a thing. If it doesn't move, then it is. And then I'm gonna go to stickers, and I'm gonna go search up Phonto. That's what I used. And I'm also gonna search up Picsart. I think this one looks the best. Let me see. think this is good. I don't know if adding a file, because I did use a file, is gonna work. I'm gonna type in file. Let's see. I think I'm gonna just use this one. This is my thumbnail. Hope you guys like it, and I do the same thing as I did last time. I save it, and there we go. Let's go to the picture and see what it looks like. Okay, here it is. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn notification bells on so you're notified whenever I post a video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Now you can make beautiful thumbnails, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.